Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely superb, very rare, top of the range Kia diesel automatic, absolutely stunning condition. Also ready for the towing season. It's got a tow bar fitted to it. It's got front park distance control. It's metallic grey, diamond cut alloy wheels. It's obviously four-wheel drive. It's the 7 seats, privacy glass, rear park distance control with a camera, tow bar, electric tailgate, 7 seats. They're literally so easy, you just pull that and they go down. Very easy. Got the rear parcel shelf there, full leather. As you see, it's really in lovely condition. Full service history. It's just going to be MOT'd. Electric windows, even got heated rear seats. Infinity speak system. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric power fold mirrors, electric seats, tilt side panoramic roof, lanes assist. Just start the car up. It's done 162 miles. It's got cruise control, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, reverse camera, heated seats 3 stages, even a heated steering wheel. The car's fully loaded. What more would you want? Obviously different driving modes, diff lock. This is absolutely great value for money. Centre armrest, all nice and clean in there. 2 keys, AUX, USB 12 volt. It is fully loaded. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.